Hey guys, today we are going to talk about the controversies surrounding Dostana 2. Dostana 2 was originally announced in 2019 by Dharma Production. The confirmed cast included Kartik Aryan, Janhvi Kapoor and Lakshya Lalwani. At that time, Kartik was at the peak of his career. He already had several hits like Sonu Ki Tittu Ki Soiti, Lukka Chupi and Pati Patni or O. His comic timing was spot on. Janhvi Kapoor was considered Dharma's favorite actress and Lakshya was making his big Bollywood debut after working in television. Fans were genuinely excited because the original Dostana had become a cult classic, and everyone hoped the sequel would recreate the same magic. Soon after shooting began, rumors started swirling that Kartik and Janhvi were dating. They were spotted vacationing together in Goa, often in matching outfit. People even noticed a K tattoo on Janhvi's finger, which many believed was for Kartik. And these rumors began creating tension on set, and fans started speculating that their personal lives might be interfering with their professional commitment. Then came reports of their breakup. It was never officially confirmed, but insiders revealed that the atmosphere on set had become tense. By that point, around 30 to 35 days of shooting had been completed, and according to rumors, Kartik also began having creative difference with Karan Johar. Eventually, Dharma Production released a statement saying that due to creative differences and unprofessional behavior, Kartik Aryan had been replaced. They also hinted that personal issues and scheduling conflict contributed to the decision. After that, Dostana 2 went completely silent. People started believing the movie had been solved, and it slowly faded from the public eye. But recently, casting rumors have started again. Reportedly, Kartik has been replaced by Vikrant Massey and Janhvi Kapoor by Sreeleela, a rising star from the South Indian film industry. Lakshya Lalwani, however, might still be part of the project. In a recent interview, Vikrant Massey hinted that the film's shooting would take place in Europe and that he would be seen in stylish designer looks and fancy glasses. But he didn't reveal who the female lead was, saying that announcement would come from the Karan Johar himself. Public reaction have been quite mixed. Many people are questioning whether Vikrant Massey fits the fun, light-hearted rom-com vibes of Dostana 2. His past roles like 12th Fail have become intense and serious, so fans are curious to see if he can pull off a more comedic and romantic role. Sreeleela's casting has also sparked a lot of discussion. Some feel she has been chosen mainly for her popularity and dance skills rather than acting ability. But this is not new for Bollywood. We have often seen actors getting cast for their star appeal or looks rather than performance. Still, audiences are curious to see how she adapts and whether she can create genuine chemistry with her co-stars. A major reason behind this entire controversy dates back to 2019 when Kartik and Janhvi reportedly started dating during the early shoot. That personal relationship, followed by their alleged breakup, led to delays and tensions in production. While no one can say for sure if the relationship was the main cause, the internal issues and rumors clearly affected the project's progress. And what is most fascinating about Dostana 2 is that fans have been hearing about it for nearly 6 years, but only through rumors and speculations. Every few months, there is some new update about a cast change, scheduling issues, or production delay. It's rare in Bollywood for a sequel to face so many challenges, yet still remain in development. You might be wondering why Dharma Production is being so cautious. The reason is simple. The original Dostana was iconic. From its song and style to its bold storyline, it sets a benchmark. If the sequel fails to capture that same energy, the criticism will be brutal. That's why Dharma is being so extra careful with casting and creative direction. This whole situation is not just gossip, it's a real example of how personal relationships, rumors, and creative conflicts can impact Bollywood production. There is a constant pressure on producers to get the perfect cast, especially for sequel of iconic films. Personally, I feel the charm of Dostana came from its natural chemistry and effortless humor. When sequel feel forced, no matter who the stars are, the magic rarely returns. Filmmakers should focus more on original stories, fresh talents, and authentic connections rather than recycling old hits. At the end of the day, Dostana 2 remains one of the Bollywood's most talked about delayed projects, from Kartik and Janhvi's exit to Vikrant and Sreeleela's rumor entry. It's a full-on case study in how complicated film production can get. It also reminds us how essential on-screen chemistry and adaptability are, especially when dealing with beloved originals. In my opinion, Bollywood should really start promoting new talent and fresh scripts instead of relying so heavily on sequels and remakes. Genuine chemistry, good storytelling, and audience connection, that's what creates lasting success. So what do you guys think? If you got to cast Dostana 2, who would be your dream lineup? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon with another Bollywood Insights. Thanks for watching.